Hello, my name is Rafael Plotnik. I'm an engineer. I have been involved in and led R&D projects for 34 years. I am the inventor of ScubaSafe. My partner is Zvika Aviv, a mathematician and an electronic engineer with 30 years of experience in the high-tech world. In the winter of 2019, I participated in a diving course. During the course, I realized that the main difficulty of the diver is to balance himself in the water, which means keeping neutral buoyancy. In order of balancing himself, the diver uses a traditional BCD. Inside the BCD, there are air bladders which the diver fills and empties using an inflator. Maintaining neutral buoyancy with BCD is a process that requires skill and a lot of practice. It requires lengthy training and practice to reach a good balance at varying depths. An unbalanced diver has difficulty to maintain required depth, and he goes up and down in an uncontrolled manner. The issue of balance affects the process of ascent. During the ascent, the diver releases excess nitrogen that has been dissolved in his blood. Nitrogen release prevents decompression sickness. A diver who has difficulty in balancing himself fails to ascend in a controlled manner at the end of the dive. Talking to many divers, I realized that fiddling with BCD spoils the diving experience. ScubaSafe is a project I have developed. It is based on two computer-controlled rigid buoys that replace the BCD. While entering the water, the computer calibrates the buoys for neutral buoyancy and maintain it throughout the dive. At the end of the dive, ScubaSafe raises the diver automatically. During the ascent, the diver is passive. The ascent plan is processed in real time based on the dive history. ScubaSafe is a system with redundancy safe mechanisms. The manual traditional inflator is connected to the rigid buoys for manual operation and backup. ScubaSafe prevents human errors, supervises depth and air in the tank. In cases of panic or distress, the system raises the diver in a controlled manner. ScubaSafe is a game changer, like the invention of the automatic gearbox in cars. The diving annual market is valued at around $2 to $4 billion before the COVID pandemic, with millions of avid divers and casual divers. Our potential customers are millions of avid divers that invest money in good equipment. There are tens of thousands of dive resorts and clubs that rent diving equipment and conduct diving courses all over the world. ScubaSafe can also be attractive for harpoon divers and divers with special needs. Purchasing ScubaSafe kit eliminates the need to buy a BCD and a dive computer. Our target FOB price is $300 to $500 with retail price for the diver expected to be $1,500. Wholesale price for diving club expected to be $1,000 that can be covered in 20 rental cycles. We will look for a strategic partner after having a working prototype. For first ready-to-use prototype, we need about $150,000. In the last year, we have made technical progress in mechanics, system control, and software. Before we started the project, we made sure we are not infringing a valid patent. We did not promote patent registration due to lack of financial resources. If you're in the business of diving and like our project, you're invited to join us.